Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will solve the exercise of unit number 1, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, an embodiment of justice. Come to glossary. Ancestor, about the distant relation. Somebody is descended from. Destitute, muflis, with no money or possessions. Equitable, munsifana, fair. Firm, mazboot, definite. Foe, dushman, an enemy in battle or war. Intercede, safarish, to speak in support of somebody involved in a dispute. Magnitude, ahmiyat, importance or effect. O, कर्ज मकरूज होना, have to give someone amount of money. Revenge, बदला लेना, इंतकाम लेना, something that you to do. Hurt or punish someone because they have hurt you. Seek, हासिल करना, तलाश करना, to get. Now come to vocabulary. Give the meaning of each word as used in the lesson. Model, namuna. Piety, परहेजगारी. Eternal, abdi. Earned, कमाया. Summon, खुतबा. Revenge, बदला. Commandment, हुक्म. Upheld, बरकरार रखना. Destitute, मुफलिस. Proclaimed, ऐलान करना. Transcends, अबूर किया जाता है. Now come to the B portion. Choose the appropriate synonyms of the following words. Equitable, which means fair. Equitable, fair. Ancestor, which means forefather. Next word is foe, which means enemy, dushman. Firm, mazboot. Persistent, musalsal. Glorious, alishan. Splendid, azim, azimul shan. Okay students, now come to the choose the correct option. In paragraph 1, dash detail of the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam's characteristics are given. General. The key idea of the paragraph is that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a great orator. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was just head of the state. This Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was just and fair even before his nabuwwat. This option is correct. Examples given in paragraph number 3 and 4 show that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a just head of the state. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a simple man. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was fair in his dealing. Option number A is correct. Paragraph 5 shows that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was just head of the state. The justice of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a source of peace and security for the non-Muslims. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was just and fair even before his nabuwwat. Option B is correct. To whom did Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam give the example advice? When two men come to you for judgment, never decide in favor of one without hearing the arguments of the other. It is then most likely that you will know the truth. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Option B is correct. Grammar. Concrete nouns or abstract nouns. Concrete nouns. Actually, concrete nouns have physical appearance. For example, the revenge of the father cannot be taken on his son. Father and son, both of these are concrete or material nouns because they refer to concrete things. Now come to abstract nouns. Abstract nouns have no physical appearance. For example, he decided their case with equity and justice. Equity and justice, both of they are abstract nouns. Actually, abstract nouns are those nouns to whom we can't touch, we can't see, but we can feel. Okay, students, now come to exercise. Identify whether each underlined word is a concrete noun or abstract noun. She puts much effort in her studies as she wants to score good marks. Effort and studies, both are abstract noun. They recommended him for his justice and truthfulness. Justice, abstract noun. Truthfulness is also abstract noun. Keep the balls in the basket. Balls is a concrete noun. Basket is also a concrete noun. The dishonest trader is losing the trust of his customer. Trader is a concrete noun. Trust abstract noun. Customer is concrete noun. He did not take good care of his pet. Care is abstract noun. Pet is concrete noun. Now students, choose whether each of the sentence needs an indefinite article a and a definite article the or no article. Okay students, in first, he asked me dash very hard question. He asked me a very hard question. Next, that questions that he asked me was easy. The question that he asked me was easy. The. Now come to next. Have you seen dash my scarf? There is no need to put any article. It means you have to use any article. Could you please pass me dash salt? The salt. Is there dash good restaurant around here? You will put here a. Dash restaurant that my friend owns is very good. The restaurant that my friend owns is very good. I have several dash good friends. There is no need to any article. Now next, 8. Dash UAE is a beautiful country. The UAE is a beautiful country. I'll see you in dash week. I'll see you in a week. I'm on dash vacation until Monday. There is no need to put any article. Noun phrase. Noun phrase is a group of words that does the work of a noun. So what is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place or thing. A naming word is called noun. In simple, you can say that everything in this world is noun. Now here we will discuss noun phrase, which means a group of words that does the work of a noun. For example, as a young trader, he earned a reputation of being an honest, fair and just businessman. A young trader and fair and just businessman both are and honest. These are noun phrase, and it is very important. Underline the noun phrases in the following sentence. This is an old-fashioned hat. Old-fashioned hat is noun phrase. We discovered Fahad's plan. Fahad's plan is noun phrase. A rolling stone gathered no mass. So, rolling stone is noun phrase. The recent flood caused heavy damage. Recent flood and heavy damage both are noun phrase. An oral presentation can be interesting. An oral presentation is a noun phrase. Past indefinite and past continuous tenses. Past indefinite are also known as simple past, and past continuous tenses are also known as past progressive tenses. Fill in each blank with past indefinite or past continuous tenses of the verb in brackets. First, what dash you do when I called you last night? What were you doing when I called you last night? Second, I dash sit in the cafe when you dash called me. I was sitting in the cafe when you called me. Now come to the third. When you dash arrive at the bus stand. Who dash there? When you arrived at the bus stand, who was there? Now come to the fourth. Shamsa dash watch a film when she dash hear the noise. Shamsa was watching a film when she heard the noise. Now come to the 5. We dash play tennis when Javed dash hurt his ankle. We were playing tennis when Javed hurt his ankle. Thank you.